Hello, welcome to this short video. I'm going to introduce Ansible Automation Platform on AWS for you today. My name is Ismail Dawi. I'm part of the EMEA product specialist team based out of the Netherlands, and I'm happy to go with you today in a small presentation and a nice demo that will be quite very quick to get to know more about Ansible Automation Platform on AWS Marketplace. Then we're gonna enjoy how to quickly have Ansible Automation Platform running. And I will share with you some resources in order to get to learn more and use the platform. If you would like to try it, it's really easy to get to have it from zero to automation with Ansible Automation Platform on top of AWS. So if you visit AWS Marketplace, you quickly find Ansible Automation Platform, and you can start deployment right away. If you have already a committed spend with AWS, you can use it towards this setup. Aside of those benefits, you can also explore the other capabilities of the platform. You can integrate it with all the different solutions that you have, either ITSM, or maybe you would like to automate all the network devices and all the other solutions that you have. But you can also extend this automation all the different clouds that you are managing. You are not stopped at the AWS. You can extend this automation all to the different other clouds that you manage, like private cloud or maybe to the edge. And with that, let's get to the demo. If you go to the marketplace and you look for Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform 2, you are going to find quickly a number of items, as you can see here in front of you. So you have Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform up to 100 managed node, which is the foundation basically. You start with this component and you build up your automation platform using the other extensions that you see next to it. So if you are managing up to 100 nodes, you can start with the foundation component. If you would like to extend to more than that, you can stack up to more 100 nodes, or maybe 200 nodes, or maybe you can go up to 400 nodes. And of course, you would like to go to the thousands, you can stack more of the 400s. So you build up your setup. And all of this is automated for you in the background, so you don't need to worry about how to make this working. So to get started, if you click on the foundation, let's say it's the up to 100 nodes, you need to first subscribe to it. Subscribing means getting the subscription in order to start using it. And for that, you need to start by this link that has been well documented for you in order to download the subscription that will be used later on while deployment is ready. So I have done this in the background for you, and I'm going to show you by viewing the subscription, show you how to start from there. So switching to this interface, you will see all the different subscriptions / licenses eventually, if you are having other licenses, other components that you are managing there. So you can find the 2 subscription I have ready for utilization today. And like I said, we're going to start the deployment. And I'll click on the launch the CloudFormation stack. So as you can see here, you validate that you have a CloudFormation topology, and you would like to choose which region where you're going to deploy this setup. So I'm going to leave it by default for now, but you can choose all the different regions of your choice, maybe in the EMEA or maybe in the GovCloud. Is up to you to choose. I'm going to switch to the create stack, and I'm going to confirm that I would like to launch the CloudFormation stack here. It switched us to the wizard where you would like to deploy the platform. This validates the template that you're going to use. And from there on, you don't need to do much, but writing the name of your choice. For example, Ansible Automation Platform on AWS. I'll put my initial and a number, for example. Here, I'm going to set my key. I'm going to use my key pair, and I'm going to click on next. You probably need to have additional set of configuration. Maybe you'd like to have some tags to be defined. Maybe you need to do additional things. We keep it by default for now, but you have the capability to add more things. And of course, this is just a review, and we're ready to launch deployment, and voila. So you need to accept or acknowledge that you have AWS CloudFormation Migrate IAM resources, and you submit it. You leave this deployment done automatically. After nearly 20 minutes or between 20 to 30 minutes, the deployment is done. You're ready to use it right away. So for the sake of demo, we have this environment that is ready for you. So you can see that it's already complete and we are able to use it. But bear in mind, since the deployment is done in a private network, you might need to configure the peering in order to have the setup reachable to your network or maybe to the public network, public internet. For example, in my case, I have defined a load balancer with some peering configuration in order to be able to access it from my laptop. And here I'm able to see the inventories on my Ansible Automation platform, and I'm able to use the platform right away. Of course, there's another component that is deployed for you, which is Private Automation Hub, where you're going to host all the content collection that you're going to use. With that, I'm going to switch back to the slides and share with you further information. So Red Hat has been working to provide Ansible Automation Platform on all the hyperscalers. So on top of AWS, we have also Ansible Automation Platform available on Azure and Google Cloud, and you can consume it in which cloud you wish. And last but not least, I would like to share with you some resources in order to get started. If you would like to get started with Ansible, you can go ahead and visit this free training around Ansible basics. If you are more advanced, you can go ahead and maybe not, why not to get certified on Ansible Automation Platform DOS 374. It's available out there as well for you. If you'd like to practice, the free self-paced lab is available as well for you to enjoy it. Hope that you enjoyed this quick demo, and see you next time.